Hello my lovely, welcome back to my channel. Today, guess what? I'm Miss Nanunu. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And let's dive deep into what we are about to do. I'll say this, it will be good to turn your back if you wear shoes like this, because it had a broken heart and it's lost its shine. Now, guess what? I'm the doctor fixing her heart and it feels good. So let's start. I've got all these beautiful beads and a round felt, which will all get into the surgery. Oh yes, the heart surgery. Let's silently watch how the beading is made and continue from there. We are done beading our felts. So next, we'll be using an adhesive, which is the shoemaker's glue. So with a brush, this is what we have, and it works great. We don't have a shoemaker's brush. Now brush the glue on both felts and shoe, and gently lay the felts on the shoes after the glue have partially dried. Please subscribe and share